Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to close a Google Form. So let's get into the video. Begin by opening the Google Form you want to close. Now click on the response. Now here you will see the option accepting response. Now just simply click here, it will stop accepting new responses. You will have the option to show a confirmation message to respondents when they try to access the form. Customize this message if needed. Make sure to save your changes by clicking Save. Your form is now closed for responses. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.